Welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Trentley. Let's look at today's headlines. President Draupadi Murmu meets participants of the Republic Day Parade 2024 at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the nation in his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates the Diamond Jubilee celebration of the Supreme Court of India in New Delhi. Union Minister of State for Finance Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karat interacts with district officials and beneficiaries of Southwest Governments. And Nitish Kumar takes oath as the Chief Minister of JDU and BJP Alliance Government in Bihar. The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu met tribal guests, tableau artists and tractor drivers, National Service Scheme volunteers and National Cadet Corps cadets, officials and other participants of the Republic Day Parade 2024 at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Among the attendees were tribal guests who showcased India's indigenous heritage and tableau artists responsible for the vibrant storytelling floats that are a hallmark of the Republic Day Parade. She also interacted with NSS volunteers and NCC cadets, acknowledging their dedication and discipline in shaping a responsible youth force. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said the Pran Pratishta of Ram Lala in Ayodhya on the 22nd of this month has bound crores of countrymen together around a common thread. Addressing the nation in his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani, Mr. Modi said the country saw the power of togetherness during the occasion, which is also the major basis for the government's resolve of a developed India. Modi said the entire country lit Ram Jyoti and sang Ram Bhajans on the evening of the 22nd of January. Emphasizing that Lord Ram's rule was a source of inspiration for the makers of the Indian Constitution, the Prime Minister mentioned Dev Se Desh and Ram Se Rashtra.
अयोध्या में प्राण प्रतिष्ठा के अवसर ने देश के करोड़ों लोगों को मानो एक सूत्र में बांध दिया है। सबकी भावना एक, सबकी भक्ति एक, सबकी बातों में राम, सबके हृदय में राम। देश के अनेकों लोगों ने इस दौरान राम भजन गाकर उन्हें श्री राम के चरणों में समर्पित किया। 22 जनवरी की शाम को पूरे देश ने राम ज्योति जलाई, दिवाली मनाई। इस दौरान देश ने सामूहिकता की शक्ति देखी, जो विकसित भारत के हमारे संकल्पों का भी बहुत बड़ा आधार है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the Diamond Jubilee celebration of the Supreme Court of India in Delhi. Modi said laws being made in India today will further strengthen the bright India of tomorrow. Saying that the entire world is looking at India, the Prime Minister added India's economic policies today will form the basis of tomorrow's bright India. He said that technology is playing a huge role in providing ease of justice. He informed that the government has given an approval of 800 crore rupees for the new Supreme Court building. On the occasion, the Prime Minister launched citizen-centric information and technology initiatives that include digital Supreme Court reports, Digital Court 2.0 and a new website for the Supreme Court.
आज भारत की प्राथमिकता है ईज ऑफ लिविंग, ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस, ईज ऑफ ट्रैवल, ईज ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन और साथ ही ईज ऑफ जस्टिस। भारत के नागरिक ईज ऑफ जस्टिस के हकदार है और सुप्रीम कोर्ट इसका प्रमुख माध्यम है। साथियों, देश की पूरी न्याय व्यवस्था सुप्रीम कोर्ट के दिशा निर्देशों और मार्गदर्शन आपके गाइडेंस पर निर्भर होती है। ये हमारा कर्तव्य है कि इस कोर्ट की एक्सेसिबिलिटी भारत के अंतिम छोर तक हो और इससे हर भारतीय की आवश्यकताएं पूरी हो सके।
In line with the mandate from the Ministry of Development of the North-Eastern Region, Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karad, Union Minister of State for Finance, on Saturday visited Ampati, headquarter of Meghalaya's Southwest Garo Hills district, to assess the progress of implementation of various government schemes. He was accompanied by MP of Tura constituency Agatha K. Sangma, Rangsakona MLA Subir M. Marak and other officials. He expressed satisfaction with the successful implementation of various schemes in the district. Addressing the need for awareness, Dr. Karad emphasized the importance of promoting government-backed schemes such as the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, offering affordable accident insurance. As part of the Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra campaign, the minister interacted with beneficiaries to raise awareness and ensure the saturation of government schemes across the country.
It's about 3 minutes.
मेघालय के गैरो हिल्स डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आया था। नॉर्थ ईस्ट में सभी स्टेट में मैं गया हूँ, सिर्फ मेरा मेघालय रहा था। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में काम करते हुए सभी मंत्री, कैबिनेट मंत्री हो या राज्य मंत्री हो, इन्हीं को नॉर्थ ईस्ट का दौरा दिया जाता है और जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट दिया उसका रिव्यू लेके अपने अपने डिपार्टमेंट के बारे में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट और कैसी हो, लोगों को मदद कैसी मिली और नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोगों को मदद करके उनका विकास कैसा हो।
BJP MLA from South Shillong constituency Sunbor Shulai on Saturday laid foundation stones of 10 road projects amounting to 15.21 crore rupees. The projects have been sanctioned by the state government under the General State Scheme 2022-23. Speaking on the occasion, Shulai said that the people of the constituency should be an example to the people of the state, so that when it comes to development, landowners do not shy away from parting with their lands for implementing such projects that will benefit the coming generation. He also said that the constituency has received 12.5 crore rupees from the Ministry of Donor for construction of the municipal market, where work is in progress, besides many other ongoing developmental works.
In each and every locality, the donor development of Northeastern region who have given us 12.5 crore for construction of municipal market. The work has been started already, and not less than 200 unemployed youths, both boys and girls, male and female, will be given in collaboration with the donors.
Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has accepted a set of transformative reforms proposed to strengthen the periodic approval, assessment and accreditation and ranking of all higher education institutions of India. The Education Ministry had constituted an overarching committee with the former chairman of ISRO, Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, as chairman in November 2022 to propose transformative reforms. The committee presented its report to the Education Minister on the 16th of January. It has recommended binary accreditation rather than grades to encourage all institutions to get on board in the accreditation process. This will create a quality culture in the higher education system. The Bhansali Trust Garo Hills unit organized a free eye screening camp in Garobada, Katalbari to provide essential eye care services to the local community. The camp was led by Biswajit Hajong, project coordinator. The initiative aimed to address the crucial need for eye health in the region and promote awareness about preventive measures for eye-related issues. Residents of Garobada, Katalbari, Southwest Garo Hills and a few villagers were invited to undergo comprehensive eye screenings, including vision tests and examinations. In Bihar, the swearing-in ceremony of the new JDU BJP-led government took place at Raj Bhavan in Patna. Governor Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar administered the oath of office and secrecy to the leader of the NDA alliance in Bihar, Nitish Kumar. 8 other ministers also took the oath with Kumar. Nitish Kumar submitted a letter of support of MLAs of his party, BJP, and Hindustani Awam Morcha to the governor. He staked a claim to form a new government of the BJP JDU with senior BJP leaders and its allies. 6 European countries have paused funding for the UN Refugee Agency for Palestinians, or UNRWA, on Saturday, following allegations that some of its staff were involved in the October 7th Hamas attacks on Israel. Britain, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, Switzerland and Finland on Saturday joined the United States, Australia and Canada in pausing funding to the aid agency, a critical source of support for people in Gaza after the allegations by Israel. Palestinians in Gaza did not need this additional collective punishment, Philippe Lazzarini, UNRWA Commissioner General, said on X. The agency said on Friday it had opened an investigation into several employees and severed ties with those people. In cricket, India were 176 for 8 in their second innings in Hyderabad today when reports last came in. England were all out for 420 runs in the second innings against India on day 4 of the first test of a 5-match series. With this, England has an overall lead of 230 runs. The team resumed their second innings at an overnight score of 316 for 6. For India, Jasprit Bumrah took 4 wickets, Ravichandran Ashwin claimed 3, while Akshar Patel claimed 1 and Ravindra Jadeja clinched 2. And now for a look at the weather report. The maximum temperature was 13.6 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 76%, dropping to 66% in the evening. The forecast tells us that dry weather is most likely. And for those who missed out, here is a recap of today's top stories. President Draupadi Murmu meets participants of the Republic Day Parade 2024 at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the nation in his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Diamond Jubilee celebration of the Supreme Court of India in New Delhi. Union Minister of State for Finance, Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karad, interacts with district officials and beneficiaries of Southwest governments. And Nitish Kumar takes oath as Chief Minister of JDU and BJP Alliance government in Bihar. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching.